We have companies such as Verizon, AWS, and AT&T, which have remarkable achievements. The results are by leveraging RPA to optimize their network operations. By implementing such practices, these industry leaders have improved efficiency and reduced their dependence on manual labor, paving the way for more streamlined network management.
Hi, this is Tayyab Mahmood. I am Director of Engineering with Xgrid, and I have with me Isma Tipu.
Thank you, Tayyab. I'm the senior QA engineer here at Xgrid, and my total industry experience is about 5 years.
RPA, a transformative technology that uses software bots to automate repetitive tasks, improving operational efficiency and accuracy. With its ability to integrate with existing systems, RPA is revolutionizing work processes across industries. Xgrid, a leading provider of innovative solutions, is excited to announce its venture into the world of RPA. We understand the immense potential of this transformative technology and are committed to offering cutting-edge RPA solutions to help businesses thrive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. With Xgrid's cutting-edge RPA solutions, you can experience limitless automation possibilities. From data entry and processing to complex decision-making tasks, our software bots can handle a wide range of activities, delivering accurate and consistent results. By automating repetitive tasks, your team can focus on more strategic and value-added initiatives, driving innovation and growth. We are going to take a deep dive into the exploration of the role of RPA in telecom operations and opportunities, and we have the expertise of Isma to guide us through this journey. Over to you, Isma.
Thank you, Tayyab. Let's begin with what is network capacity planning. It's kind of a crucial process that ensures optimal utilization of network resources. It involves analyzing and forecasting data to effectively manage and enhance network performance. So we have a few challenges. For example, manual data gathering, which is prone to error and inefficiencies. We have inaccurate capacity estimations leading to network congestion and customer dissatisfaction. To streamline this process, RPA plays a significant role by automating data collection, analysis, and scenario simulations through software robots. For example, by configuring virtual test environments and running simulations to assess the impact of changes or future network requirements, the bot can simulate and increase user loads, application deployments, or network expansions to identify potential performance issues and recommend capacity adjustments. We have companies such as Verizon, AWS, and AT&T, which have remarkable achievements. The results are by leveraging RPA to optimize their network operations. By implementing such practices, these industry leaders have improved efficiency and reduced their dependence on manual labor, paving the way for more streamlined network management. So another use case that we can talk about is customer onboarding and KYC, which is also called Know Your Customer. So KYC involves processes such as gathering and verifying customer information, which can be time consuming, error prone, and can result in delays, for example, in service activation. It is prone to several adverse effects for businesses such as compliance breaches with regulatory requirements, prolonged service activation timelines, and risk associated with inaccurate customer data. So the solution which RPA can offer is that it can assist us by giving the solution of adding document verification, where RPA bots can automatically verify and identify documents such as passports or driver licenses by comparing them against reference databases, or using technologies like OCR to extract and validate information. We have names like Citi and HSBC, which are using these kind of future forward technologies to automate. Also, when looking at the historical references, we can see the outcome of 30% increase in time savings, ranging from 30 to 50% based on industry reports for the renewal of KYC through RPA. Okay, another big thing that we can talk about is service provisioning and activation. So some of the challenges that we kind of face right now is the manual service provisioning and activation processes. We have inefficient processes which can lead to delays in service delivery, increased customer complaints, and revenue loss. It can also hamper our scalability and agility in meeting customer demands. So RPA bots can be kind of configured to validate incoming orders by cross-referencing them with relevant data sources, perform necessary configuration changes, can navigate user interfaces, maybe also extract and input data, and trigger actions to complete the provisioning and activation tasks. So we can see the potential gain of 30% here. We have reduced operational cost and our savings are up to 30%. Scenario where repeated calls for simple queries that could be resolved with basic information or self-survey options. We have challenges like which can lead to increased call volumes, longer wait times, and higher operational costs. So the role of RPA here is that it automatically logs incoming customer calls and captures relevant information. We have query identification where RPA tools can analyze and categorize customers' query using NLP techniques. For example, we have a third-party tool, UiPath, which offers NLP capabilities through its AI Fabric component, enabling advanced text analytics and language processing for customer query understanding. We also have cessation request processing. The challenges that we face here are basically related to form extraction, data validation, canceling a service, or terminating a contract. We also have billing adjustment and workflow integration. So RPA kind of extract the specific information from these kind of request forms. We have data validation, where RPA validates extracting information against telco's database. We also have contract termination, where RPA technologies can update customer account statuses and generate termination documents. It can also calculate and apply billing adjustments for prorated charges or refunds. Also, when we're talking specifically about the workflow integration, RPA integrates with existing systems to route requests for verification and approval. So we can see that potential gain here is around 40 to 70% for reduction in processing time. We have error reduction of about 60% and overall cost reduction of about 20 to 40%. Okay, so we have network outage notifications and customer communication. So few of the challenges that we face here are certain kind of outages which can disrupt services and lead to customer dissatisfaction. We can have an issue with communicating timely and accurate information about the outages. RPA can automate these kind of outage detection. It can work with real-time notifications where bots can generate and send notifications to affected customers in real time, providing updates on outage status, estimated resolution time, and alternative options, reducing customer blockages. RPA can also work with data integration, where it can integrate with customer databases and systems to gather relevant customer information. This integration enables personalized and communication during outages, allowing organizations to proactively address customer concerns and provide tailored support based on individual preferences or circumstances. These are some of the use cases. Now over to you, Tayyab, for giving us insights on how cost effectiveness can be measured when selecting certain tools and how can someone kickstart their RPA journey.
So let's talk about the cost effectiveness of RPA tools. By leveraging reusability, organizations can benefit from reusable components that maximize ROI while reducing development time and cost. This promotes efficiency, standardization, and cost-effective outcomes. Additionally, RPA tools offer scalability, providing optimized solutions that accommodate evolving needs. This ensures cost efficiency while maintaining resource utilization, even when facing changing volumes. Furthermore, the availability of drag-and-drop interfaces in RPA tools empowers non-technical users and reduces programming costs. These user-friendly interfaces streamline development processes, resulting in significant time and resource savings. Moreover, pre-built automation templates are valuable assets in RPA. By utilizing these ready-to-use templates, organizations can accelerate development, leading to cost savings. The rapid development and deployment standardization and efficiency offered by pre-built automation templates contribute to cost-effective automation solutions. In summary, reusability, scalability, drag and drop interfaces, and pre-built automation templates are essential features of RPA that drive cost-effective outcomes, optimize costs, and enhance efficiency for organizations venturing into the world of automation. To kickstart RPA journey, we need to follow a systematic approach. Firstly, identify key processes suitable for automation, involving cross-functional teams to ensure a comprehensive understanding of requirements. Establish clear objectives and define success metrics for the RPA implementation. Additionally, conducting thorough feasibility assessments will help in selecting the most suitable RPA tools and estimating potential cost savings. By taking these steps, companies can maximize the benefits of RPA and achieve cost-effective automation. RPA brings significant advantages to marketing operations. It automates data integration and cleansing, ensuring accurate customer information for targeted campaigns. By automating repetitive tasks, RPA boosts productivity and enables marketing professionals to focus on strategic activities. Additionally, customer journey automation through RPA enhances the customer experience, improving engagement and retention. Incorporating RPA into marketing processes can derive efficiency, effectiveness, and better outcomes for businesses. RPA automates lead generation processes by extracting data from multiple sources, ensuring a continuous flow of high-quality leads. It also streamlines sales funnel management by automating tasks such as lead qualification and pipeline tracking, providing real-time visibility into sales performance. Furthermore, RPA enhances customer lifecycle marketing by automating personalized communication, follow-ups, and updates, resulting in improved engagement and retention.
So we have seen multiple businesses having started their RPA ventures. One of them is Telkomsel. The issue that they were facing were that their employees used to pour over hundreds of invoices each day. Today, this part of their job has been automated using robots. They can work on more value-added tasks such as data analysis and exception handling. They used to serve more than 170 million customers nationwide. They also kind of underwent an internal digitalization in recent months to simplify its business processes across organizations to kind of become future ready. As a part of this transformation, Telkomsel worked with Deloitte Consulting and UiPath to implement an intelligent automation platform that eliminates repetitive back office processes using the technology of RPA.
Thank you, Isma, for your valuable insights. So let's unlock the full potential of automation with RPA, revolutionizing efficiency and paving the way for a future of streamlined processes with Xgrid. Thank you.